On today's channel, we're going to learn how to make regular pedestals into more elaborate pedestals. To start off the video, I'm showing the different supplies I have. I used a lot of miniatures. The first bag had houses, street lights, and all different knickknacks. The second bag had like animals like ducks, swans, and owls. They were all really cute. The third bag, it had tons of ladybugs and then a variety of different sized mushrooms and colors. Then the last bag was tons of different trees that I use as like flowers for the pedestals, but they were really cute. I had to cut them down a little bit. So first you see me just unwrapping each pedestal. I had to learn the hard way to just unwrap it as I go because these are like acrylic and they like collect everything. When I say they collect dust, you can't even breathe the wrong way and it will have something sticking to it. So you see me trying to wipe it down. I was like, what is going on collecting all this stuff? So yeah, after I took that apart, then I started getting right into it. I had to drink something, my thirsty self. I firstly started putting the moss. Now for the process of this, I didn't know how much moss I would need. I was really estimating everything, y'all, and hoping and praying that I had enough. So what I did is I at least put enough on each pedestal to where I know like the other items could like fill in the gaps. And then with moss, it kind of is sparsely around anyway when you see it like on walls and whatnot. But I know I wanted to fill it in fuller, which I do later on in the video. I go back, I found out I have actually way more moss than I needed. But in the beginning, I didn't know. So right now, you just see me super gluing and burning my hand every now and then. Because super glue would definitely. I realized I just drunk right before every video. I really was thirsty, y'all. But yeah, there's me, the smaller one, just, you know, once again, adding the moss to it and just putting enough to get a visual. I guess you can say it's kind of like a sketch in a way. Okay, the next part of the video is me starting my favorite pedestal out of all of them, and it's literally my logo. So since this pedestal is like acrylic based, it's like really slippery and it's like a plastic base if you ask. So I was able to get like a kid's marker, like some kind of crappy marker, and to just like make a rough sketch of my logo. And I was able to fix it. I used just water and a napkin to like wipe it off if I felt like it wasn't looking the way I wanted to. But yeah, I had actually a lot of fun doing this, and I actually kind of like decided this idea last minute. Honestly, sometimes my ideas really honestly be last minute. I just be having ideas off the whim, just be coming out of nowhere. But this is like one of my proudest last minute ideas. But yeah, so I'm firstly attaching all the moss, and of course the letters themselves, I realized they weren't as big as I wanted. So all I did was like just made the moss as thick as I wanted. But the sketch was definitely helpful because I felt like if I did this without a sketch, it was gonna look crazy. But it came out so cute. And then in the end, you'll start seeing me put the trees. They're trees, but I'm using them as flowers. So we're going to call them flowers. All the little flowers or whatnot. And then now I'm going in and actually filling in more of the moss onto the other pedestals. Because I told you guys in the beginning, I didn't know how much moss I would need. And like the moss came in these like two like square rectangles, but they were so condensed, it scared me. I didn't know how much it was going to be in there. When I tell y'all, like I didn't expect it to grow once I put it in the water, because I had to like put it in water to let it grow. But yeah, so here's more of me putting more of the flowers onto the pedestal, and then I started adding like the cute mushrooms and whatnot, and you'll see a close-up later because I know it's kind of hard to see right now. But yeah, I'm adding like more flowers, and I added like the ladybugs as well. Those were like actually really freaking cute. And adding more mushrooms, just, you know, so all of them are kind of more cohesive. Some of them don't have ladybugs, some of them don't have mushrooms, but all of them at least have some type of flower or whatnot. I didn't want every single one to be exactly the same. I thought that would be kind of boring. Just needed them cohesive. But yeah, overall, this was really fun, even though, once again, I kept burning myself, even though I used the hot glue gun a million times. But soon we're about to go into the close-up of the finished product. So here's the final look, guys. I am very satisfied with what I made. I'm actually very proud. This is my first time ever doing something like this. Just so to let you guys know, it's actually way easier than what it looks. But yeah, it was very fun to do, and it's very versatile because even though I'm using it for the commercial that I'm going to be posting soon, so if you're in real time now, or even if it's later, go back to my Instagram or TikTok to take a good look at the commercial I made. But yeah, I'm going to use these for future vendor events, just for like my display table. It's gonna be so cute, and just for tons new photo shoots for just my products. But thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe and follow me on all my other socials, and I'll see you guys next time.